Imagine waking up tomorrow and deciding that for the next 30 days, you'll drink only one thing: water. No coffee, no tea, no soda, no juice, no energy drinks, just plain water. Would your body become healthier? Would you lose weight? Would your skin glow? Or could it actually make you feel worse? Let's find out what really happens when someone drinks only water for an entire month. The first thing to understand is that this challenge only changes what you drink, not what you eat. Drinking only water while still eating balanced meals is very different from a water-only fast, where you consume no food at all. A prolonged water-only fast can be dangerous and should not be attempted without medical supervision. Now let's see what happens, day by day. Day 1. For many people, the hardest part isn't drinking water, it's giving up everything else. If you're used to coffee every morning, you may quickly notice a headache, tiredness, or trouble concentrating. That's often caused by caffeine withdrawal rather than the water itself. If you normally drink sugary beverages, your body also notices the sudden drop in sugar intake. Some people begin craving soda or juice within hours. You may find yourself reaching for a drink out of habit, only to remember that water is now your only option. Days 2 to 3, your body begins adapting. Without sugary drinks adding extra calories, many people naturally reduce their daily energy intake. Blood sugar swings may become less dramatic if sugary beverages were a regular part of your routine. You may notice that your mouth feels fresher throughout the day. Water also helps your kidneys filter waste products more efficiently, provided you're drinking an appropriate amount, not excessive amounts. However, if you're replacing coffee, don't be surprised if your energy still feels lower than usual while your body adjusts. The end of week 1. By now, many cravings begin to fade. Your taste buds may become more sensitive. Some people report that fruit tastes sweeter than before. Soft drinks that once seemed normal may suddenly taste overwhelmingly sweet. You may also notice a small change on the scale. That's because eliminating high-calorie drinks often reduces your overall calorie intake. But remember, not all weight loss is body fat. Some of the early change can come from losing stored water and glycogen. Week 2. Something interesting starts happening. Your hydration habits become more consistent. Many people don't realize they spend much of the day slightly dehydrated. Replacing sugary drinks with water can help maintain normal body functions, including temperature regulation and circulation. Your urine may become lighter in color, which can be a sign that you're well hydrated. But don't aim for perfectly clear urine all the time. It can sometimes mean you're drinking more water than your body needs. Moderation matters. What about your skin? Many people expect dramatic changes. Social media often claims that drinking lots of water gives you flawless skin. The truth is more complicated. If you were dehydrated before, improving your hydration can make your skin look healthier and less dry. But water alone won't erase acne, wrinkles, or scars. Healthy skin depends on many factors, including genetics, sleep, nutrition, sun protection, and overall health. Water helps, but it's not a miracle cure. Week 3. By now, your new routine feels normal. You may notice fewer afternoon energy crashes if you've stopped drinking sugary beverages. Without liquid sugar, your body avoids some of the rapid spikes and drops in blood glucose that can follow sweet drinks. If you used to drink several sodas each day, you've also reduced your intake of added sugar significantly. That can benefit your teeth, since sugary drinks contribute to tooth decay. Even fruit juices and sports drinks can expose teeth to sugar and acid. Plain water, on the other hand, helps rinse the mouth and doesn't feed cavity-causing bacteria. What happens to your weight? Many people start this challenge hoping to lose weight. The answer depends on what your drinks looked like before. If you were drinking several cans of soda, sweet coffee drinks, or sugary juices every day, switching to water can reduce your calorie intake enough to support weight loss over time. But if you were already drinking mostly water or unsweetened beverages, the difference may be small. Water itself doesn't burn fat. Instead, it can help replace drinks that contain excess calories. Long-term weight changes still depend on your overall eating habits and physical activity. Week 4. At this stage, many people no longer miss sugary drinks. water becomes the default choice. Some people report sleeping better, although sleep quality depends on many different factors. Others notice they spend less money because they aren't buying soft drinks or specialty coffees every day. Small daily habits can add up over an entire month. Perhaps the biggest change isn't physical, it's psychological. You've proven that you don't need flavored drinks to stay hydrated. You've broken routines that may have felt automatic for years. But can you drink too much water? Yes. More water isn't always better. Drinking extremely large amounts in a short period can overwhelm your body's ability to maintain a healthy balance of sodium. This rare but serious condition is called water intoxication or hyponatremia. Symptoms can include nausea, confusion, headaches, and in severe cases, seizures. The goal isn't to drink as much water as possible. The goal is to drink enough to meet your body's needs. So, is drinking only water for 30 days worth it? For many healthy adults, replacing sugary drinks with water for a month can have real benefits. You may reduce your sugar intake. You may consume fewer calories. You may improve hydration. Your teeth may benefit from less exposure to sugary, acidic drinks. You might even save money. But it's important to remember that water isn't a cure-all. Good health also depends on balanced nutrition, regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and medical care when needed. If your usual drinks include coffee or tea, giving them up may cause temporary withdrawal symptoms, but those usually improve over time. And if you have certain medical conditions, especially involving the kidneys, heart, or fluid balance, you should follow advice from your healthcare professional about how much fluid is right for you. At the end of the day, the challenge isn't really about water, it's about replacing habits that may not be helping your health with one of the simplest, healthiest drinks available. Sometimes the smallest changes repeated every single day make the biggest difference over time. So if someone offered you this challenge tomorrow, could you drink only water for the next 30 days?